So how was the quiz? Must have enjoyed it, right? By now, all of you must be really excited about reaching out to your friends, relatives and clients and help them mind the gap. The next obvious question is, how to find the gap? That is, how to calculate the adequate life insurance cover required by someone. We will be discussing two simple methods to find the gap. The simplest method is called the underwriting thumb rule method. It's a three-step process. The first step is to find the net annual income. For this, you need to deduct the annual personal expense from the annual income post-tax. In the second step, you have to find the multiple of income as per your age in the grid given in the slide. As you can see, at a younger age, we use a higher multiple. That's because one has more number of income earning years to protect and hence needs higher cover. In the third step, we multiply net annual income derived in step 1 by the multiple. This is the amount of life insurance cover required as per the thumb rule method. Let's understand this with an example. Rahul Goenka is 35 years old. He has an annual income of 5 lakh and his personal expense is 1 lakh. As per step 1, the net annual income is 5 lakh minus 1 lakh, which is 4 lakh. This is the amount that needs protection. As per step 2, we find that at his age, which is 35, the multiplier is 14. So in step 3, we will multiply 4 lakh by 14 and we get a figure of 56 lakh. Hence the life insurance cover required for Rahul is rupees 56 lakh. Simple? Let's practice then. Let's see who gets it first. By now, you must be feeling confident about the thumb rule method of finding the gap. This method is simple, but it gives an approximate figure. And it does not take into account debts, loans and EMIs. We all know that income needs to be protected. In life insurance, we also say that one needs to cover the debts first. So let's learn a slightly more detailed method to find the gap. I promise this would be simple too. This method, we have to master the art of asking the following 5 questions. So listen carefully. The first question is, what is your total monthly household expense? The second question is, what is the total monthly loan EMI you pay? The third question is, what is your total outstanding principal for the loans taken? The fourth question is, what is the long-term fixed deposit rate you expect on your corpus? And fifth question is, how much life insurance cover you currently have? Let's understand the calculation with an example on Find the Gap calculator. Please ensure that you have got the handout called find the gap in your hand. The calculator is a simple one-sheeter, and if you just follow the steps one by one, you can find the gap easily. Let's work on an example together. I have with me Sanjay Mukherjee, and I will take you through this gap calculator with Sanjay. Sanjay, what is your total monthly household expense?
60,000.
Okay, thank you. What is the total monthly EMI you are paying if you have any loans?
20,000.
So now we will calculate the net monthly household expense is 40,000, which is the monthly household expense minus the EMI. So you must be wondering, why did I subtract the EMIs? Please understand, when we cover the gap, we ensure that the debts are also covered. So if the debts are covered, in case of death, the loan will be repaid from the corpus. So the EMIs will stop. Therefore, EMIs are always reduced from the monthly household expense. Okay, after we have done, now we know that the net monthly household expense of Sanjay is 40,000 rupees. So the net annual household expense would be 40,000 multiplied by 12. So that comes to 4,80,000. Now we'll ask the third question to Sanjay. Sanjay, what is the long-term fixed deposit rate you expect on your corpus?
5%.
5%. So the cover required to protect the net annual household expense of 4,80,000 is 4,80,000 divided by 5%, which comes to 96 lakh rupees. Now I'll ask Sanjay the fourth question. What is your total outstanding principal for the loans taken?
18 lakhs.
So as we said, we have to take life insurance for the income we have, and we need to cover the debts. So the life insurance requirement for covering the income was 96 lakh. His outstanding loan or debts is 18 lakhs. We have to add these two and it becomes 1 crore 14 lakhs. Now the last question. How much life insurance cover you currently have, Sanjay?
8 lakhs.
So the total requirement was 1 crore 14 lakhs. He already has 8 lakhs cover. So what's the net life insurance cover required by Sanjay? Is 1 crore 14 lakhs minus 8 lakhs, which is 1 crore 6 lakhs. So this is the gap in Sanjay Mukherjee's portfolio. Is that not simple? Now let's get down to doing some more examples on your worksheets with your trainer.